Let's cut some miters. Using my L fence, demonstrated in the previous video, the spacer is 5/8. The face frame is 3/4. That will ensure that the off-fall will not be trapped. I will clamp the L fence to the table saw fence. The notches have provided clearance that were cut out on the bandsaw. I will take a test piece and make the first cut. Let's look at this setup using the face frame, and now make the first cut using the test piece. We will taste it. Check it out again. Let's move the fence. Now, moving the fence left and right is a very mysterious situation. Test pieces are fabulous. We'll now taste the face frame. Oh, we like it. Now, the first cut will be a little shallow, leaving a blunt end, then transitioning into the miter. I will then make a second cut that will create a sharp knife edge that will assemble well. We've cut the face frame, and now it's time to cut the side panels. Now, there's a thing called left and right, sometimes referred as right and wrong. If we identify the panels, we may actually like what we're doing. Thank you.